here this mixer truck. I parked here this. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of self-employed vehicles serially arranged. All are nice and beautiful models. So now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. So first one is here, a green company double-decker bus. Let's go. Friends, I parked here my first vehicle, green company double-decker bus. This is a white, paste and black color combination. Next one is here, a mix-up truck. Here this mixer truck. This is a yellow, black and white color combination realistic model mixer truck. Another one is here, a ambulance. Here this ambulance beside this mixer truck. This is pink, paste and white color combination. Now I will drive this animal truck. I parked here this animal truck. This is a paste, orange and black color combination. So friends, one by one, already 4 vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. And the last 3 vehicles here. Now I will drive this first one, DS car. I parked here this DS Tronton car. This is a pink, white and paste color combination. Next one is here, a tram truck. I parked here this drum truck beside this DS Tronton car. This is purple, pink and paste color combination. Last one is here, a police bike with a police. I also drive this one. I also parked here this last one, police bike with a police. This is a yellow, red and pink color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drive and introduced with you. All are together here serially parked. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.
Be careful, Daisy. That gingerbread breaks very easily. Uh-oh!